Welcome back to a new video. This lecture is going to be about exponential smoothing. This video is going to be one of the videos that I create for my time series analysis playlist. You can just reach to that playlist from the cards of this video. Let's start coding. Let's start by creating a dataset to work with. I'm just going to insert my code in here and I will call dataframe.head for checking the data. Great, we have date, value, feature 1 and feature 2. Let me quickly talk about the exponential smoothing models. Exponential smoothing models are a family of forecasting methods that aim to capture and predict patterns in sequential data. These models are particularly useful for datasets where there is a temporal order, such as daily stock prices, monthly sales figures, or hourly temperature readings. The basic idea behind exponential smoothing is to assign exponentially decreasing weights to past observations, with more recent observations receiving higher weights. This reflects the belief that recent data points are more relevant in predicting future values. The models provide a flexible framework to adapt to different patterns in the data, including trends and seasonality. So, we have three types of exponential smoothing, and these are single exponential smoothing, also we can refer as SES, double exponential smoothing, also we can refer as Holt's method, and triple exponential smoothing, also we can refer it as Holtz-Winters method. So for quickly talking about them, single exponential smoothing is suitable for time series data with a constant underlying level. It uses a smoothing parameter to assign weights to previous observations. In the double exponential smoothing, it extends single exponential smoothing to handle data with a linear trend and introduces a trend component along with the level component. And at the triple exponential smoothing is appropriate for data with trends and seasonality, including components for level, trend, and seasonality. Seasonality can be additive or multiplicative. Okay, let's implement it. We will say from stats models time series analysis hold winters import simple exponential smoothing, and then what we are going to do is we will call the data frame we have again. I'm just going to set index this date. So I will say data frame date, first we make it pandas date time, to date time, data frame date. And after that I'm going to say data frame set index date, and I will say in place equals to true. And then I'm going to say model is going to be simple exponential smoothing data frame value, and after that I will say fit model. I will use model.fit. So after that we can just have our model. We can just say fit model.summary and we can see the model. We just applied the single exponential smoothing model on our value column. The summary provides us with important information about the smoothing parameter and other relevant statistics, like we have AIC score in here, we have number of observations, we have coefficient, we have optimized, and great. So here are the tests and trend seasonal optimized model. Great, so let's implement double exponential smoothing method. So for that, think it like it just adds trend handler, like we are going to say from stats models time series analysis hold winters, it was its other name, exponential smoothing, and then I'm going to say model double is going to be exponential smoothing data frame value, and I will add trend as additive. And after that we can say fit model double is going to be model double dot fit, like this. So after that we can just say fit model double dot summary, and we can get information about our model. Also we can say fit model double dot predict, and we can just give steps like 90, and we will get predictions for the next 90 days, and we can just visualize this like we did in other models. I'm not going to do that in this lecture, but you can just watch ARIMA, and after this lecture I'm going to post a long short-term memory deep learning tutorial. You can just see the plotting site from here. It's exactly the same. So also I want to show you the triple exponential smoothing implementation. I'm going to say model triple is going to be exponential smoothing data frame value. We are going to set a trend as additive, and we are going to add seasonal And then I'm going to set something like seasonal period 7. So after that, I will say fit model, this time triple, and I will say model triple dot fit, and we can just get the model summary from here. Fit model triple dot summary. So here's our results. Great. It was the implementation of the exponential smoothing, and that's all for the coding part. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sharing 2 or 3 new videos every week about data science and Python programming. You can subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. This was one of the lectures of time series analysis playlist. You can watch the others for learning more. I'm going to add the playlist link in the cards of this video or in the description. See you in the next tutorial.